I wish I had finished selling my yams. We would have gone on together.
Hey! Look who is stalking. I remember calling you as soon as I left my house. But you're not answering me.
Oh, my sister. I went to the stream to fetch water now. There was no single water in my house.
Okay, don't worry, you will sell. It's just remaining about 4 tubers of yam. It's soon finished, don't worry. Oh,
alright. I believe God now. I will sell.
You will, my sister.
Why are you laughing now? Stop laughing.
I won't laugh again.
Hey, Amaka, stop now.
Okay. Speaking of water, I probably need to go to my house.
Okay.
And fetch water for my sick mom. You know she has not been feeling fine ever since.
Hey, yeah.
So I need to fetch water for her. Or maybe we'll see later in the evening.
Alright, no problem. Ngwano, oh yeah now.
Good luck.
Bye bye. Hey, go Joe, go. Let me go and sell my yam.
Bye bye. Buy yam. Your sweet yam from Abuja. Oh, come and buy yam. Oh, buy yam. My teacher drove me back from school because I've not paid my school fees.
How? Why is all this happening to us now that I am sick? Why?
Mama, we're writing midterm exams tomorrow and I don't want to miss it.
You will not miss it, my daughter, no? Let us wait. When your sister come back, let's see how much we can raise. You will go back, oh?
Because you can't pay my school fees. I'm not missing anything tomorrow.
You will not miss it, that is what I'm saying. Let's wait when your sister come back. Let me see how much we can make, oh?
I can't pay my school fees.
We will make,
I'm walking. Why are you back so early?
She said they drove her away because of school.
Yes, sister. And we're writing midterm exams tomorrow and I don't want to miss it. Please don't leave people. I don't want to miss it.
Amaka, what am I going to do? What am I going to do?
Mama, stop crying. You know you're not feeling too well. Mama. Listen, I'm promising you, we'll find a way to pay your school fees. It's a promise. We will. I promise you. Just give us some time. Before today runs out, there's a promise. We're going to find money and pay your school fees. Oh?
When did it not?
Don't you trust me again?
We will pay, we'll pay your school fees.
Smile now.
Don't pay my school fees.
Okay, you will Ma, stop crying. No.
Just pay my school fees. Pay my school fees. Please tell me, people. Please tell me.
Chimo. This money is not even up to quarter of what we need for our school fees. Even God in heaven knows I cannot afford to sit and watch Mama not going back to school. Next, my mother is not even feeling fine. The only person who would have assisted me in this plantain selling now, she's not feeling fine. And Mama has been sent back from school. What am I going to do now? What are we going to do now? Where will this one take us to?
Again? Why not eat and rest first?
Mama, I've checked this whole house, and the money we have here is not quarter of what we need for Mama's school fees. Mama, look at, it's not up to now. So I have to go out there and see if I can finish this thing up, so we'll know if we'll add more and pay her school fees. Mama cannot be staying in the house for any reason.
Amaka, God will continue to bless you for all the help you have been rendering to me since I fell sick. You shall be blessed. Your going out and coming in shall be blessed. No weapon fashioned against you shall prosper. Anyone looking for your trouble will not succeed. Oh, Mom, you will be blessed in the morning, afternoon, and night. The money you will make in this life, as this sand is countless, so shall all your money will be countless. You have to be careful.
Mama,
you have to be careful. Oh, no.
Come back on.
Oh, be careful. No. I know. I trust you. I trust you, Mom.
Hey, Mama, happy.
Oh, Jessica, be careful. Oh, I'm waiting for you. Enough. Hell. Hey. Amaka, God will bless you for me.
Stop crying. Oh? Are you not seeing I'm already on my way to the market again? So I can make sales and add money to the one we have in the house so we can pay your school fees. Stop crying. Oh?
Thank you, Sister Amaka. God will bless you.
God bless you. Oh, Ngwan, go inside and eat. Oh, you've not eaten since you came back from school. Oh. Don't be starving. Bikopa, Makosa. Oh yeah now. Oh,
Auntie, I'm not hungry.
I need this stubborn. You this stubborn. Go and eat too.
I'm not stubborn.
Be a good girl.
Are you still here crying? Huh? Your sister has gone out to sell. Huh? She has gone out to sell again, so she can complete your school fees. Come, let's go inside, you know? Don't worry yourself.
Go no plantain.
Ami, did you come out again? I thought you were done for the day now.
My sister, I got home only to find out that they chased my kid sister out from school because of school fees. So I had to hit the road again.
Hey, yeah. Sorry, oh. Don't worry. God will smile on us soon. Oh?
Okay, my sister. I have to run along now.
Okay.
So I'll see if I can finish up on time.
Alright, no problem now. Ngwanu. Oh yeah, start going now.
Good luck, eh? Bye-bye. Go no plantain. Bye, plantain.
Amaka?
Good afternoon, Uncle Dumod.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You are so hardworking. Keep it up.
Thank you so much, sir.
These plantains, are they for sale?
Yes, they are. I'm actually heading to the market to sell them.
It's like you know I need plantain.
Really, you do?
So how much is for all of them?
It's 6,000 naira, sir.
6,000 naira.
Yes, sir.
Well, I don't have enough cash here. Put them in my car. We'll hop in. We'll get to the house. I'll pay you. I'll also give you some money for your sick mother, right?
You will do that for me?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, Uncle. God bless you.
No need to thank you.
You're a lifesaver. God bless you.
Come in. Yeah. Very hard-working girl. Seems my face is not bright. Can you help me get my handkerchief here, please? Don't be scared.
glass of water I asked you to get for me. Ma! What is delaying you? Ma. Huh. Hey. What happened? Hey, but I am sure I hold this glass very firm.
Mommy, me, I don't know. All I know is that, thank God you are not injured. Let me go and get broom and sweep it out.
Hey. Hey.
Where is she? She's at the backyard. I hope she will not come down.
Odumodu, why are you nervous? This is not the first time you are doing this. Or are you doubting the potency of my charms? Let's proceed. Keep this pot in your room. No one must see it. Now, let's proceed for the final burial.
The sky is not my limit. But they painted me black. I'm destined to fly with colors, but they have pulled me down. I can move your child. Good
evening, Mama.
How are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama. I'm about going to the stream, so I said let me know if Amaka will be going with me,
Amaka is not yet back. You know, she went out to sell again and she has not come back.
Amaka is not yet back? This has not happened before. She doesn't stay this long in the market now, Mama.
You know your friend and how she behaves. She will not come back home unless she finishes whatever she has on that tray.
And I can't go to the stream alone. She always goes with me now, Mama.
Don't worry, you can go alone today, When she comes back, she will still fetch water for me.
Okay. Mama, how are you? Okay, Mama, I'll be on my way now. But please, let her know that I came,
I will definitely tell her you came.
Alright. But Mama, how is your body?
I'm getting better. I'm getting better by the day.
Thank God. Let me be on my way. Oh,
you have to be very careful on your way to the stream, no?
Okay, Mama.
You know all these boys and how they chase you.
Okay, Mama. I will. Mama, bye-bye, yo. Mama, bye-bye.
What is delaying your sister?
I don't know.
She has really stayed long, oh.
Bonjoloko! Cha! Cha! Bonjoloko! 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 Ashagwara! 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 Son of man, you have done well. You have done great. Your lifespan has been expanded. More money will come. Odumodu. You must not leave your compound in the next 3 days. At the end of 3 days, break the pot at the exact spot the girl was killed. But remember, you must leave this community after the 3 days.
Wise one, you don't need to remind me. This is what I do every 3 years. Thank you, Wise one. I will do as you said.
Do not be afraid, because my spirit is always with you. Let us go.
Hey.
Destined to fly with colors, but they have pulled me down.
Mama, what is keeping Amaka? Why is she not back yet? It's getting late.
My daughter, I don't know. Eh? I don't know what is really keeping her. She has not stayed this long before. Eh? Go inside and get my phone. Let me call her to know exactly what is happening. Yes, please.
My confidence is in God Almighty.
What's the meaning of this? Who opened my car? What is happening? I went to the gate. Nobody was there. Yet somebody was knocking. I'm the only person in this compound who must have opened this car. I don't understand. These doors were locked. Who opened them? This is a mystery. It's a mystery. I'm not even...
What is it?
The line is switched off. Huh? Look at the time, and she's not yet back.
Mama, should I go and look for her in the market? So she'll come back and cook. I'm very hungry here.
Don't worry, I will go with you. I don't know why I'm having these cold feelings.
Just go. The time is already late. We should go and look for her now. Let's go and look for her. Let's go.
Oh, we'll go and lock the door. Lock the inside first.
Great Olumo.
Odumodu, what is troubling you?
Things are no longer the same as in the previous year's rituals I did. I've been noticing strange movements in and around my compound since we came back from the burial ritual.
Odumodu, this is the third time you are doing this. You should be man enough. Fear is the greatest enemy of success. Move on. That could be an imagination, an ordinary imagination, you know.
No. It cannot be mere imagination. See, how do I describe my champagne disappearing and appearing again?
Maybe because she's related to you. Odumodu, the road to greatness is not all that easy. Be a man.
Imagine me, Odumodu Bulago, just an ordinary girl. What a clear lubera bone ye, mokone ye.
she did not come to your house as she was returning from the market?
No, Mama. She did not come to my house. I even called her line to know when we'll be leaving for the market tomorrow, but it was switched off.
That was even the one that is making me crazy. Her line is still switched off till now. I don't know what is happening, no. I don't really know what is wrong. Honestly, I'm having a cold feelings.
Where could she be? Where could Amaka be by now?
That is the problem.
Mama, she's not used to keeping late nights.
I'm so confused now.
Let's go home. She must have returned to the house. I know how sister used to do. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mama.
Hey, I'm still having these cold feelings.
No, don't worry. Sister will be fine. Let's go home. She must be at home.
Let nothing happen to my daughter. Oh. Let nothing happen to her. Oh. Hey.
Mama, nothing will happen to Amaka. Just go home. She must be home by now. I will come to your house in the morning on my way to the stream. Yes, Mama.
Igabia?
I will come, Mama. Mama, take Mama home. Mama. Mama,
just go. Let me run along.
My brother, I know China. I will come back in 3 days' time. Yes, I'll be back to Lagos, to Nigeria in 3 days' time. Okay. No, if I land, I can land for Motamon, but then I go travel, come back to Anisha.
The sky is not my limit. Manandu wekwere, chimu melomu kandiache, but they painted me black. Fatalimu inaru. I'm destined to fly with colors, but they have pulled me
Where are you? Who did I offend? Tell me. There is problem. My daughter went out to sell since yesterday. Up till now, she has not come back.
Which of your daughter you are talking about? I hope it's not Amaka. Because I saw her yesterday as I was coming. She was carrying a banana plantain or what?
Yes, it's Amaka. It's Amaka. I don't know. If she is dead, let them bring her up so that I can bury her.
Don't use that language again. Anyway, don't worry. Just go home. I'll handle it. I'll call the commissioner of police to find out what happened.
Mama, don't believe him. He's lying.
You will call the police. Please. Because now I should go home.
Yes, just go home. I'll take care of it.
Mama, can't you see me? My things are at the back of the house. Come, I can show you. Mama, don't listen to him. He's the one that killed me.
Let me go home. No?
Mama, come, let me show you. Let me show you to the back of the house. Mama, look at me here now.
I am here for you.
Mama, can't no one see me? Mama, can't you hear me? Mama, he was the one that killed me. Mama, he's the one that killed me. Mama, can't you hear me? Mama, get back in. Where's my daughter? Amaka. Chika, can you listen to me? Chika, can you hear me? Chika, look at me, it's Amaka. Chika, please listen, I need your help. Chika, please. She can't see me. Chika, I'm standing right here. Chika, look at me. Chika, what is wrong with everybody? Why no one can see me? Why can't anyone see me? Chika, is Amaka? Chika, what is wrong with everybody?
The sky is not my limit. Manando wekwere, chimu melomu kandiaje, but they painted me black. Fatelu inaruo. I'm destined to fly with colors, but they have pulled me down. Akamudiocha, Odi and Mary Wanemo. 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 Afugochimunyaluma, Gaja Tajirimanya. Wamanu Jimperemisio, Gaja Tajirimanya.
Good afternoon, how are you? Did you see Amaka?
No, I've not set my eyes on her.
You mean you haven't seen her?
No, not around this place. I've not seen her, Mama.
You didn't see her around?
Yes.
Anywhere around this village?
Mama, what is going on?
Don't.
Hope everything is fine.
Almighty, He made me walk through the valley.
It takes only a brave heart to make great things.
This one is getting out of hand. I don't think I can survive it to the end.
Remote. You have only one day to greatness. Yeah, man.
She is just a mere small girl and cannot hurt you. So be rest assured that your success is close.
Have to calm down. She will come back. Amaka will come back.
Oh, she will come back. Today is the third day and she has not come back. You are here telling me she will come back. When? When is she coming back? Tell me.
Mama, because
no trace of her. There is no trace of Amaka at all up till now.
Mama, have you spoken to Odumodu? If you could use his connection to search for her.
I've done that since yesterday. You see, since that yesterday, I called Odumodu. I went to his house and told him. He was even the one that called me this morning. He told me the police said they are on the matter. Up till now, they've not done anything.
Mama, at least we have hope. We have hope, Mama. Just calm down. The police will handle this issue. She will come back.
Why are they still delaying? Hey. What are they delaying for? Let them do it fast. Amaka is my hands and legs. I can't afford to lose my daughter. I have no other person.
Mama,
let nothing happen to my daughter.
Mama, I
can't afford to lose my daughter.
Mama, it's okay now. Mama, calm down, please. Think about your health, Mama. It's okay. Mama, see, I believe in God. There's always a way. There's always a way, Mama. The police will handle this matter very well. And Amaka will come back home. I'm sure of it.
Exactly what you told me yesterday. You told me she will come back.
I promise her. I will do anything it takes. Everything. I will make sure we find Amaka.
You told me yesterday that she will come back. Up to now, I've not seen her. Up till now, I've not seen Amaka. Hey, Amaka.
Mama, calm down to go. Stop crying. Please stop crying. It's okay. Think about your health, Mama. Please. Think about your health. Amaka will come back.
Plantain dị n'azụ ụlọ ya. Mma! Why is she not hearing me? Mma! I can't seem to understand what is going on. Why can't my mother see me? Even Mma, not to talk of Chika. What is happening? Is there anyone I can talk to? What am I going to do? Obviously, I know she won't even see me.
Amaka.
Can you see me?
Of course, I can see you.
How?
Because we are the same. The same person that killed you, killed me 3 years ago.
I don't understand.
Chief Odumodu.
No, I'm not dead. You can't say that. I have my sick mother at home and my younger sister who has not paid her school.
I know.
How do you know?
He used you for money ritual. Same way he used me 3 years ago. So we are the same.
But why can't I speak to my sister? My mom? Or even my friend? Wait! Wait! I need your help. I need to be able to speak to my mother. Or my sister, or even my friend.
But I can't help you.
How do you mean you can't help me?
We are the same. I'm dead too.
Nneka, so how do we go about it? Okay, can you go on behalf of me and speak to my mother? I would so appreciate.
The dead has nothing to do with the living. I can't help you. I'm dead too and they can't see me. You're in a better position to help yourself. You are still fresh. But I died 3 years ago.
How do you mean I'm in a better position to help myself? Nneka! Nneka, no, you can't leave me here all alone. Nneka! Nneka, where are you? I need help. I need help. I need help. Nneka!
This gay spirit is disturbing me so badly.
Why are you afraid of that small girl? An ordinary girl who is resting in a grave.
No, this is not a matter of small girl. That girl is disturbing me so badly. She's haunting me.
Do not worry yourself. Now, I am here to cleanse off her spirit. Bajab!
'Bajab! 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 '
I can smell foul spirit.
Spirit, what? It's spirit. Oh, get everybody. I'm going to see you.
You small spirit, I command you to go back to your grave and rest in peace.
You lie. You will be the one to rest in peace.
Amaka.
What have I gotten myself into? Eh? Why did I even start in the first place? Olobo, who would have defended me from this gay spirit, is now dead. Who do I run to? I'm just tired.
Hey, Amaka, because of the Amaka, because of the child.
Odumodu, congratulations. Now that you have completed your 3 days waiting, you can now go back to the city and enjoy your largesse.
Are you for real? Hey, thank you. I will do as you said.
need to hear me out. I need your help.
If I must help you, or if we have to talk, it's not going to be here.
Okay, I'll follow you anywhere.
Follow me.
Mama! 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 Where is everybody? Mama! Mama!
Amaka, your mother is not around.
Then where is she?
This is not why I'm here, Amaka. You need to help me. You need to help us. Olumo is out there roaming around the village freely. We can't do anything. He caged my spirit. Same with Onyinye's spirit. Amaka, you can only be the one to help us. Please.
How do you mean?
If you don't help us, Amaka, he might end up killing other innocent girls. Who knows? Mama might be the next in line. Amaka, please. For the sake of your mother, please help us.
You're right.
Let's go.
Nneka, where are you? Nneka, I need you this minute. This man wants to run away to the city and we need to stop him. Where are you?
Amaka,
you came at the right time. He wants to run away to the city. We need to stop him.
I know. It's about going to the city now. And you can't do it on your own.
So how do we go about it?
You will need my help.
Okay.
Stretch your hands. Come closer. Come closer.
This guy is not my limit. Manando wekwere, chimu melumu kandiaje, but they painted me black. Fatelimu in a row. I'm destined to fly with colors, but they have pulled me down. Akamudiocha, odi emere wanne mo. Akamudiocha, odi emere wanne mo. Akamudiocha, odi emere wanne mo. Akamudiocha, Adigi mere nwanne m akwụgo chimunyeluma gaja tajiri manya agwa mmanụ chim tere n'isi gaja tajiri manya ebe mkwere na chukwu chimugelo tamo ebe mkwere na chukwu chimugelo tamo
Agmodumodu, welcome to Mega Money Group. Oh, thank you, Great Olumo.
The sky is not my limit. Manando wekwere chimulamu kandiaje, but they painted me black. Fatalamu inaruo. I'm destined to fly with colors, but they have pulled me down. Akamudiocha, Odei and Mary Wanamo. Akamudiocha.
Good morning. Hey, open Amaka. Amaka,
the sky is not my limit. Manando wekwere chimumelamu kandiaje, but they painted me black. Fatalamu inaruo.
Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hey, Biko, Nna, brother, I beg, water. Huh? Amaka! Oh, whoa! Amaka!
Dorime! Láti rẹ! Now Mumu dey go club oh! Come and buy your liquor here! Liquor here! But it's not liquor, just liquor. Hennessy and champagne! Free of charge. I don't charge too much. Dorime, I'm going to go club. Come and buy your Hennessy. like this? Who is chasing you?
My friend, what's your problem? Eh? Do I look like someone running? Ah.
But a frog does not run for nothing. It's either something is chasing me or it's chasing something. Odumodu, you know you're my good friend. I can help you. Or do you want me to dance for you? Do you need liquor as usual? Adumadu! Adumadu!
Eriko, please. I am not in the mood. Eh? I don't have my purse here. I would have given you money. But save your dance and your liquor. Come to my house. I'll give you money. I will settle you. I said... Come to the house. I said you come to the house.
Okay, I will come. Come to my lamp. I love you. Come and take liquor. It's for you. All for you. See, Odumadu, you suck this liquor. It's for you. Only you. But come to think of it, who knows why the snake sigh? I mean, that is not my business. Let me go and sell my Dorime, my champagne. Dorime! Isra! Dorime! Latire! Latire!
Nollywood. This one you are running this early morning. What is the problem?
Running? Do I look like I was running? No, I didn't even know I was running. You know, I was hurrying up to my house. You know, I left my gate open because my car was parked at the middle of the gate because it refuses to start.
You left your gate open. What happened?
I rushed to meet the DPO before he leaves office.
Okay.
Yes, and while I was moving, my car refuses to start. Yes, and it stopped me at the middle of the gate. So I just don't know what to do because I was hasting up to see that Amaka is found. Yes.
But is there any good news from them?
Not really, but the DPO demanded more money. So I gave him money. Yes, I gave him money because he told me that his men will be coming from Abuja, some will be coming from Lagos, even Lokoja, different police formation, so that they will comb every nook and crannies to make sure Amaka is found. You know, I can't be alive and watch Amaka die. It's not possible.
Did you say die? My daughter will not die, oh. She's only missing. How can she die?
Sorry, it was a slip of tongue. Yes, I didn't mean she won't die, you see. But I mean... don't worry yourself, Amaka must be found. Yes, I'll do everything.
Thank you very much, Nai. God bless you. What would I have done without you?
Hey, Chris, you need not thank me. It is my duty. Yes, it is my duty as Amaka's uncle to take care of all of you, including you and Amaka and the family. So, and I'm doing my best. And I will not leave this village until Amaka is found.
God bless you, Nai. Thank you so much. Oh, hey.
It's all right. I must make sure Amaka must be found.
Yes.
Yes.
You are evil. You are dangerous. Remember, one day it could be good to go. We get the uncle, we get brother-in-law. Give me camera, it's time for war. Face me one-on-one, type Leo.
What have I gotten myself into? Eh? Why is this girl's spirit so stubborn? won't go back to that house alone. I think I know what to do.
All your evil deed is time to pay. For all your evil deed, it's time to pay. I am ready for you. But better no be silly girl. Face me one-on-one, type Leo.
Are you back?
My wife, I just remembered that I need to give you some money. Since Amaka, who has been helping you, is nowhere to be found.
Look at me, Nai. That is why it will never be well with whoever that did this to Amaka, my daughter.
It hasn't gotten to that. Just follow me to my house, eh? Let me give you some money for your upkeep, eh?
Oh, okay.
The sky is not my limit. Manando wekwere, chimu melamu kandieche, but they painted me black. Fatelemu inaru. I'm destined to fly with colors, but they have pulled me down.
Nai, what is it? This one you stopped. I hope everything is okay.
Something just came to my mind. Yes, I think it will be better if we conduct this search ourselves rather than allowing police to handle it. You know, you can trust them.
Yes, Mama. Uncle is right. You might be lucky to see one of these uncompleted buildings.
Intelligent girl. Very, very intelligent. I never knew you were this intelligent.
But Nai, what about your gate that is open? And the car that was parked there? Are they safe?
Grace, are you the one talking? My car and the gate. How can you compare my Amaka, my niece, with ordinary car and gate? Look, let kidnappers take that car and the gate. I want to find Amaka. Hey, Mbana.
So where do we start from? Where are we going to now? Is it Ugweke?
No, let us search here first. Let us search here first.
Yes,
yes, let's look around for this.
Amaka!
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 Amaka! Amaka!
Akamudiocha, adigi yemere wanema, akugo chimunyaluma, gaja tajirimanya,
Amaka! 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 Amaka!
My confidence is in God Almighty. He made me walk through the valley.
Amaka!
Shadow of death, I shall fear no evil.
Amaka!
Amaka!
Sister Amaka! Sister Amaka, where are you? Sister Amaka!
Amaka!
Sister Amaka!
Amaka!
Go! Oh, no, I go this way. Let's go.
Sister Amaka!
Amaka!
Amaka! Uncle! Obale Emmanuel!
Nai, what is it, Ogenekwa? What happened?
Snake.
Snake?
You see it? Very dangerous snake, black one.
Black snake? Hey! Nai, we have to be careful.
This
we have to
village
be
is
careful.
dangerous.
Hey, this girl, they are talking about snake and you're going at the back. It's okay, go to work. Stay here, let me be seeing you.
Grace, see what will happen. See what will happen. Let us discontinue this search. Let's go to my house. Let me give you money. Yes, let us allow police to handle this matter. In fact, I've DPO telephoned some detectives from Abuja. They are coming into town to search for Amaka.
Okay.
Yes, they will be in a better position to find Amaka. Let us leave.
Now, let's go through this place so we can call it.
Grace, let us leave this place. Hey, let us go. Let us go. This village.
The sky is not my limit. Manando wekwere, chimu melamu kandiaje, but they painted me black.
You guys here? Why?
I told you, I wanted to go out and see the DPO, but the guy got spoiled, so I abandoned it because I must see the DPO.
Nai, look at this water.
Maybe plumbing error. I don't know. Just wait.
Oh. Hey! Look at water here. Water entered your compound. Hey, Nai. Hey! Hey, wait. The water is too much. Eh? Nai.
My confidence is in God Almighty. He made me walk through the valley, shadow of death. I shall fear no evil.
How do you come out now?
Makamuna chimusaka, I shall fear no evil. Egini kanaregio, wanem. Ija choki mabinama, is wanem. What is that I did to you?
Hi, how do you come out now? Are you talking? This side? Hey.
If you kill me, there's nobody to cause.
Don't worry, I will go around to see if there is a leaking pipe here and there. Not these reckless plumbers.
Hey.
Just manage it. I will still do something.
Thank you, Nai. Hey, but whoever that did this to my daughter, whoever that took away my daughter from me, hey, he shall never be well with you. God will punish you. God will continue to punish you.
Please, remember we are Christians. And as Christians, we believe that vengeance is of the Lord. Allow God to have a say in all this. We are human. We can't do more than God. So allow God. Just take it easy.
No problem.
I'll still
I've had you now. I've had you. No problem.
Let me see up so that I can tidy up this and see the DPO.
Amaka,
let me see. All the man, God is here, no? What is all this? Huh? Where is this water coming from? It is This girl is wicked. Is she the only person I've killed? Hey? Is she the only person who refused to sacrifice? Why is she doing this to me? Just look at my house. Pick your call now, pick your call. What is all this? I can't control this any longer. Great one, please, there is fire on the mountain. Please, come over to my house. Please, come over to my house. I don't know what is happening.
Odumodu, what is it again? I thought you should be on your way to the city by now.
Great one, this little girl will not allow me to travel. Even as I speak with you, she has been appearing in my house, treating me as if I'm a little boy. Please, you have to come. Even as I speak with you, my house is turned upside down. I don't know what is happening in my house. I just don't know. Even water is coming out from my house. Everywhere is submerged with water. Everywhere is water. I don't know where it is coming from. Oh, Lord!
Mama.
My daughter, how are you?
I'm fine. I just came back now and my sister told me what happened to Amaka, about her disappearance. Any news about her disappearance?
My daughter, nothing seems to be working again. I'm coming back from her uncle's house now.
And what did he say?
He gave me money and said I should go back to my house. That he will continue the search with the police. My daughter will not miss.
Hi.
Amaka will not miss. Oh,
Nothing will happen to Amaka.
Nothing will happen to her. Amen. Mama, don't worry. Calm down. Nothing will happen to her. We will find her.
Right on time.
Yeah, the great one. My friend, what are you doing here?
The great ultimatum. You asked me to come, and I'm here to collect the money. So give me the money. Let me go home and feed my children.
You can see I am not in the mood for all this. So I don't understand what you are saying.
Ultimatum, is it because I've not danced for you? See, I'm the latest Shakira. Watch me as I dance.
It's all right, please. It's enough. I said, take. Take.
Mommy!
Please, leave. Don't come back again.
See, I will come back when this money finish. But Madu, not travel to the city. Or do you want to suck liquor? It's very sweet. This one is champagne. This one is NSC. Which one do you want?
Thank you very much. I don't need all this. I'm not in the mood.
You don't need to go to the club and do the email. This one is for free.
Go! Go. It's okay. Thank you. I said leave this place. Go. Okay,
but Madu, I will go. But see, this house belongs to us. It's all of us that have this house. Go. Tomato, my love.
Go. I said leave. Go.
I should go.
Hey, get out.
I should go.
Hi. What is all this? God, what is happening to me? Even mad people are now mocking me. Does it mean there is no hiding place for me anymore? Why me? Why? I think I know what to do. Let me call Olomo. you? Thank God you are here.
There is no need for too much talk. Take me to the spot where the girl was sacrificed.
Take pity on me. Look at my house. My house is turned upside down. I don't look at water. I don't know where the water is coming from. Please, take pity on me.
Odumod, who is this young girl to you?
She's my niece. My late brother's daughter.
That is where the problem lies. Yes. She is disturbing you because she is your blood. You shouldn't have used her.
But nobody told me. Nobody told me. I wouldn't have used her if it... See, next time, I'll go to a distant village, far away, and get the gears to use. Please, help me out. This girl is troubling me. She is dealing with me.
We will have to call the girl's spirits to know what she wants, so she can allow you to rest.
I don't understand. Call her spirit up. Where? Is it in this house? Great one. Where many go on me? Does it mean there is nothing that can be done?
Nothing is impossible with me, Oluma. Let us go to her grave at once.
Great one. How do I stand and face her spirit? It's not possible.
Odumodu, you talk too much. Follow me.
I should follow you. Hey!
The sky is not my limit. Manandu wekwere. Chimu melomu kandiaje. But they painted me black. Fatalimu inaruo. I'm destined to fly with colors, but they have pulled me down.
Great one. Chidi, because you're here. Don't let her come close to me. Look at the way she's looking at me.
She will not! She has refused to rest because she's your blood. Kneel down at once before she vanishes.
My kids, I'm already kneeling. You're here. Look at the way she's looking at me.
Young lady, calm your spirit. What do you want us to do? Please speak.
I don't want you to do anything other than going to the village square. Ask Odumudu to go to the village square and confess all his evil deeds. He should go and confess. Let him tell the community of how many girls he has used for money rituals. Our spirits are restless. All because of you, evil man. What have we done to deserve this? We are innocent, for goodness sake. Why? We need to find peace.
Is that all?
Shut! I am not done talking. You don't interrupt when I am talking. Tell this evil man to go and confess to my mother. My sick mother. Tell her of how you've deprived her of so much happiness. How you've chosen to cut her happiness short. All because of your greed, your wickedness. You are so evil!
What? Wise one, great one, move over to me. Wise one, you cannot abandon me at the middle of this. We are in the middle of... You cannot abandon me. Abandon me at this hour. You can't abandon me in the middle of this journey. We are in it together. Please, do anything you can. I want to leave this village. My wife has started getting worried. She has started calling me.
Don't ever try entering the road because she has already planted an accident for you.
Hey! Balema. Oh.
You will remain in this village until we find a solution.
Wise one. Please, whatever you can do to free me, please do it. I don't want to remain in this village the next minute. I want to leave. I want to leave.
Then we have to go to her grave and change her spirit. With that, she will never come out again.
Thank you.
But before that, follow me to my shrine for cleansing first.
Thank you. I'll follow you.
You are dangerous.
Are you the only person I've used? Are you the only person I've used?
See, I went there to collect your money for you. See.
Which money are you talking about? From who? What are you saying?
I don't even know. I don't know them. Do you know them? I don't know. See, I don't know them. But see, they know themselves. They all know themselves. Evil doers. They're everywhere.
Evil people! Evil!
There are evil people everywhere. Siba, God and Ebube, Agu will fight for you. Don't worry.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't go. It's a money. Evil people everywhere. It's a money. Come and take your money. Don't leave your money for them.
Hey! What was she even talking about? Huh? She speaks in parable. I can't even understand one single thing she said. Huh? Hey! I've collected your money from them. Who?
You are dangerous. Remember, one day it could be good to go. We get the uncle, we get brother-in-law. Can we get It's time for more. Face me one-on-one, type Leo.
Let the spirit of Amaka rest in peace. And allow your uncle, Odumodu, to be in peace. Odumodu. Amaka, rest in peace. Now allow your uncle to be in peace.
Tie her very well. Tie her. Huh? Don't know why this girl is so stubborn. She will never allow me rest. Huh? All the girls I used in previous sacrifice, they give me trouble. I don't know why her spirit is so stubborn. It's supposed to go round. What happened? Are you sure it will shame her spirit?
Odumodu, do not worry yourself. She will not appear to you again.
He's no longer here.
It is done. 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 Now, you can go and enjoy your money. But it remains one last cleansing. You have to wash the blood from your house. Yes, it is done.
Where's one? In fact, thank you very much. I will do as you said. In fact, next time, I promise you, I will never use anybody from my town again. I will go to Kogi State, anywhere, very far away, and bring them.
Odumodu, go! Go now. Odumodu, I will stop here. Go home and get ready for tomorrow's cleansing.
Great one. Did you say tomorrow?
Yes. Because our spirit has been chained.
Thank you, wise one. Thank you very much. In fact, I don't know what I would have done without you. Eh? Thank you. Our spirit has been chained. I trust you. You are a great man. This compound. Anyways, her spirit has been chained. At least I will rest and eat good food today since I came back.
Neka, it's your turn.
No, it's Onye's turn. Okay, since no one wants to play, let me play.
Welcome back, Upload Mode. Come and play with us.
Yes.
Come.
Come.
Come. Come.
Come. Come. Come and play.
Come. Come and play with us. Come.
Great one. Have you gone far?
Yes, what is it?
Please, you have to come back. There is fire in my house. This girl is back. Not only that she is back, she came with the previous people we used, all the girls we used for sacrifice. They are making merry in my house. They are dancing, laughing. They have turned my house into a marketplace. Please come.
Odumodu, it has to be tomorrow. I have already started some spiritual work for my Yahoo clients.
I can't sleep in this house, oh. I can't sleep in this house. You have to come. Please, you have to come now.
Odumodu, those girls cannot hurt you. Go and rest.
Hello? Hello? Great one. Hello? This one is greater than fire on the mountain. What do I do? Eh? What is all this? What do I do?
You are evil. You are dangerous. Remember one day you go get you go. Wicked uncle, wicked brother-in-law. Give me camera. It's time for war. Face me one-on-one. Type Leo.
Hello, honey. Yes, my voice. Not to worry, it's just cough and catarrh. Yes, but I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Yes. Sorry, I did not tell you that I left Abuja. I'm in Asaba. Yes, my friend's daughter was kidnapped, and we are at the police station. Yes. On the police, I'll be staying another 7 days. Yes, to tidy up things, you know, clear the queues before coming back to you. I love you. I love you, baby. Take care. Huh?
Any fowl that is searching food in the compound of a thief is very close to a pot of soup.
Amaka. 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 Where did they enter? And there's no link road or bending on this road except this water. Where did they enter? I am sure that girl heard me. Amaka heard me. Oh? No, now yes, she heard me. She heard that I was calling. Oh, wow. Amaka! Amaka! Amaka!
Ifoma, what is it?
I just said let me rest a bit. And I just dozed off.
Ifoma.
And... No. And I saw Amaka.
Amaka?
I saw Amaka.
In this broad daylight?
I saw...
Amaka?
No.
You saw Amaka?
I need to go to her house now. Yes, I need to see.
Amaka? Yes, you saw Amaka in this broad daylight? This girl is not okay. Something is wrong somewhere. I think this girl is not okay. Amaka. Ha. Hey. Come back to my phone.
Oh! Ifama, please, I am not in this mood. Please, leave me alone.
I want to tell you something. See, I want to give her mother money. She refused. And I want to give you the money.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
It's her money, oh. It's her money.
Please, I am not in that mood. Biko, leave me alone.
It's her money now. It's her money. Ifama, it's her money, oh. Ifama. No, nobody wants to listen to me. I'm trying to pass a message. Nobody wants to listen to me in this village. Huh? I will eat all the money belongs to me. The remain. That's the dog.
What is it? This one you are looking tense. What happened?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What is the problem?
Mama, is Amaka back?
No.
Mama, I saw Amaka in my dream this afternoon.
This afternoon?
And she was coming out of this compound. Mama, I tried calling her, but she was not. She didn't answer me.
Why?
The greatest worry now, Mama, is that I saw her in the company of Neka that died many years ago.
Chimo! Jimmy! Hey! No! Nothing will happen to Amaka.
Yes.
Amaka is alive. Nothing will happen to my daughter Amaka. The dead and the living has nothing in common. Hey! I reject any negative spirit in Jesus' name. Amaka, nothing will happen to you. Hey! Amaka!
Hey! Mama, you don't do it. It's okay. So just calm down, eh? Just calm down. She's fine. Nothing will happen to my friend. Yes, nothing will happen to Amaka.
I lit the fire, but I did know it will burn me.
Those girls cannot. Those girls cannot.
See what love for money has cost me. See what love for money has cost me. Obaranamara, not wrong more. See what love for money has cost me. See what love for money has cost me. Obaranamara, not wrong more. Had I known, I wouldn't have gone this far. Nego di femero wem, adirozim kandinambu. Obe abawagomu, arire ribuomu.
Mbano, I can't sleep inside this house alone. I think I know what to do. I can't sleep here, close my eyes. It's not possible. Let me go outside and sit. I will open my eyes. I will be wide awake. I can't close my eyes in this house. Hi. Okay, iri onye mwanya. Na benkwa. At least, with this, sleep will be far away from me. The worst is that nothing seems to be working for me. Imagine the chaplain that works for my wife. It's not working for me. God, what is all this? Look at the way these little girls laughed at me. They mocked me scornfully. Olomo said that I'm not leaving this village. Am I even in prison here? In fact, a prisoner is worse than it's better. Oh, what do I do? That I will not leave this village until the process is over. The whole thing seems unending. Why am I even afraid? In my own house? Osukum? Odumodu? Odumodu bulago? Dikeh na akpọ ogwu n'anya? No. Man of Benka woke is nonsense. Una moga. As if the mama boga. Rien see. I'm a boga. Una bon couldn't soon. I'm not bunking the main road. Opoga. Rien see. The channel see. Nonsense. Anna, too late. Una moga na ben. Hey!
I understand how painful this is for you, but because of your last daughter, you have to stop this.
What do you want me to do? I've not been myself since Ifeoma told me she saw my daughter in the dream with 2 of her dead friends.
But it was just a dream. You know all dreams are not real.
But she said she was calling her and she refused to talk to her. You know how close Ifeoma and my daughter are. How can she refuse to talk to her bosom friend? How can? Tell me.
In that case, you have to go to a spiritual house so that we can ask questions. Please, Nne. Please, my friend.
I will talk to my brother-in-law. He's the one handling the matter. Okay. I'll talk to her.
Okay, it's okay. Well.
Hey, Amaka.
It's okay.
Amaka, where are you? Amaka. Natasha, no, Miko.
Oh, thank God you are here. Great one. You need to see what happened here since yesterday you left. In fact, it was like the whole world is collapsing on me.
Odumodu, you worry yourself too much for unnecessary things.
Great one. Let's just go inside so that you see I wasn't joking. Great one. This is the exact place Dikeh were yesterday. Playing on that, doing all sorts of rubbish as if they were the owners of the house. Like I told you, everywhere is submerged. Look at water. Look at, and they still coming.
Odumodu, why worrying yourself with unnecessary things? Leave them, let them play. Let them play like Celine Dion. Let them play like Peter Square. Let them play like Whitney Austin. Show them that you have a back, man. Show them that you can dance to their tune. Show them!
I did all that. But it's not working. Even as we speak now, I can hear their voices. Just listen.
Odumodu, it is just a mere illusion. Just a mere illusion. Just a mere illusion. Mere illusion.
Great one. Please help me. I need to go back to the city. My wife is getting uncomfortable. And as it stands now, it seems all hope lost. Please. To tell you how wicked this girl is. She did not come alone, no. She came with those 2 last girls we used for sacrifice. All joined together, tormenting me in my own house. Please, great one, I am finished. Please help.
Quiet, Odumodu. There is a solution. All you need to do is to visit Amaka homes with gift items.
But I've not been giving them gifts since my brother died.
You have to pour hot drink on the soil of that compound to appease the ancestors.
How am I going to go about it?
Buy a lot of gift items. As they are taking the gift inside, use the opportunity to pour the drink on the soil. As soon as the drink touches the ground, the ancestors will accept it. By then they will forgive you for using your blood for rituals.
I'll do that right away.
Modu, you have to go now. There is no time. No, there is no time. Go.
Thank you, great one.
You that abandoned me, this my husband died. It's today that you want to buy food stuff for me.
Don't worry, next time.
Don't recall me. I will not accept this gift. I will not accept it. I will not accept it. Abandon me, this my husband died.
It's alright.
So you know that thing?
Not really. I'll see you later.
Okay. Bye, sir.
Eriko.
Don't recall me. You abandoned me.
It's alright.
I will not accept all this gift.
Hey, it's okay.
I will not accept it.
It's okay.
Okechukwu, where are you, Okechukwu? Okechukwu, back in. Your daughter is missing, Okechukwu. Your daughter is missing. Okechukwu, why did you leave me alone in this world to suffer? Okechukwu, this is the time for you to act and find Amaka.
Okay, Mama. It's okay.
Find Amaka, your daughter. Okechukwu, come and help me. Okechukwu, rise up and find Amaka. Okechukwu, where are you? I don't have faith on my own, Okechukwu. Go and find Amaka. Okechukwu, why did you leave me alone in this world to suffer? Okechukwu!
What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this? I have told you times without number to stop this. Stop this. Why are you doing this to yourself? See, there is no way I'll be alive and allow Amaka to listen. Listen, as I speak with you, we telephone the Interpol. Their branch in Ghana, they've dispatched their men. They're everywhere in this village combing all nook and crannies. Amaka must be found. I told you Amaka must be found.
Why, when are we going to find Amaka?
Very soon, very soon. Stop bottling yourself. Huh?
Oh, no.
Let's go to the car so that I give you things I bought for you.
But you just gave me money a few days ago.
I am like the head of this family now. It is my responsibility to take care of you. So stop counting the number of times I gave you money. You see material. Oh, no. Let's go to the car. Ma, come.
Come on, let's go.
Remember, one day, wicked uncle, wicked brother-in-law, it's time for war. Face me one-on-one,
Hey! Oh, are you here?
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hey, Oriako. I shall be going because they told me that the AIG in charge of investigation is around. So let me be. Follow me. Let's go to the car so that we take the rest of the day.
Okay. Oh my God, come on. What is all this? Why are you bringing them out?
Mama, that's because you don't need them.
Amakamba, we need those items. It will save us a lot. At least the stress of going to the market all the time to say we reduce.
Mama, did you just talk about stress? Mama, this man Odumodu, he's so evil. We don't need anything from him.
Amaka, come out open. Make me understand why you are doing this. Just tell me the truth. Open up and tell me.
Okay, Mama, I will let you know. But first, I need to get the remaining things out of this house.
Amaka! So that was a dream. Huh? But why was Amaka throwing those things away? Wait, she even said that Odumodu is evil. Could it be that Nollywood Odumodu knows something about Amaka's disappearance? Why am I having goose pimple all over me? Hey, something is wrong somewhere.
Mama, listen, I need to tell you something. You need to go back to dream. You girls are aware that the only way we can speak to her is through their dreams. Please.
Hey, okay, Chuku, my husband, where are you? Why did you leave me in this world alone? Amaka, where are you? Amaka, come.
Girls.
Hey, whoa, Amaka,
we need to leave her at once.
I
can't bear to see her cry.
Amaka, where are you? Amaka, where are you?
Great one. Can I now go back to the city? At least to be with my wife and my children. And also to attend to my business.
Hold on, Odumodu. As I speak to you right now, the girls are planning to go to the village square and pour the hot drink in the calabash. And then report you to the ancestors.
I don't understand. Please, great one, explain to me very well. I am lost here.
There is no need for much talk. You need to move now. Because if they get there before you, You will be destroyed by them. Take this. You have to move now. As soon as you get to the ground, break the kola nut. With that, you will subdue them.
I don't know why this girl is so stubborn and wicked. Other girls I used before, they didn't give me this trouble. Why is this one giving me this trouble?
Odumodu, you have to go now. Because they are already on their way. You need to move fast.
What is the next step?
We need to stop him at once. And we must get to the village square before him.
Yes, he must pay for his atrocities.
There is no peace for the wicked. We have the venom of justice.
Shall we?
Get out of the road! What is all this nonsense? Always blocking the road, idiot! Hey! Get out of the road! Get out of... God punish you here, idiot!
Somebody that do America. Somebody that do America. Somebody that do America.
What is all this? Oh, God. Today of all the days, what is all this? How will this guy do this to me? This guy, please start. What is all this? What is all this? Why am I suffering?
What is wrong with our car? I'm a mechanic. I can fix it. See, tell me, let me fix it before turn is against you.
Now listen to me. Listen. I am not in the right frame of mind for this kind of joke. So the good thing for you now is to leave this place.
Me?
Yes, leave this place.
I should get out.
Get out of this place now.
That is against you. Odumodu, give me money, let me fix this car. Before they'll get there before you. They'll get there before you, Odumodu. Let me fix your car. I'm a professional engineer. I can fix this car.
It's okay.
Odumodu, let me fix your car now. Just give me small money.
Thank you.
Odumodu! Look at him. After you say I'm a mad woman. Between me and you, who is not mad? Look at the way he's running. Ndala! Indiala! It's our car. Odumodu! Let me fix your car for you. You know what? Come and buy liquor. You are my people.
You need to move now. Because if they get there before you, you will be destroyed by them.
We have the venom of justice.
Hi. Opo wansu ebi. You talk and can cigar. Oh. You boy better reform. Power reform.
Odumodu, I warned you. Why would you allow them to get to the square for you?
It wasn't my fault. My car broke down on the way. So I tried fixing it, but no luck. So I trekked.
As it stands now, there is a big problem.
How?
The girls have gotten the ancestors on their side.
That won't be a problem. Getting ancestors on their side is not a problem, Olomo. I have the money. Bring out money. Bribe them, please. Let's change these things, please.
I suggest you go to the village square and confess as the girls demanded earlier.
You know it won't be possible. Remember my status in the society. I'm a knight of the church. They know me in the city everywhere. It is not possible. Let's do something. Are you no longer the great Olumo? Do something. Let's change.
I warned you. I warned you. Now you have complicated whole issue.
Great one. Great one. Oh. You can't abandon me at the middle of the sea. It's not possible. I think I know what to do. Hey! Wise one. Thank God here. I thought you have abandoned me at the middle of the sea.
Odumodu, so you are trying to run away?
No, what do I do? I thought you have abandoned me.
Odumodu, you have to obey the voice of the ancestors and the spirits.
How? Great word. Okay, what if I confess? After the confession, will my word still remain with me?
Never. You will be as poor as a church rat.
Aye. Oh, great one. It won't be possible. I swear, I would like to go back to poverty. Instead, let me die. I will go back to that poverty. Please do something. I have served you so faithfully. Do something, please. Biko, do something. I would like to go back to poverty.
In that case, I will have to journey to the land of Ijade to seek for greater powers, to subdue those girls.
Yes.
I think I will be leaving first thing tomorrow morning.
Very good. I'll go with you. I can stay in this compound alone. I'll go with you.
You are not allowed to leave this kingdom until everything is settled.
Hey! Oh, Jim, Odumodu. What is all this? Great one.
Come with me. Odumodu, take this. Wear it as a neckbait. Make sure you wear it always until I come back. This is the protection against any spirits.
Great one. Please, will this bead make me disappear anytime she appears?
Do as I said.
Great one. One more thing. Please, how many days will you be staying in Ijade? Because if you stay long, by the time you come back, I may have been dead. Please.
I will be returning in a fortnight. Odumodu, go home and be a man, for this is the final stage. Go home. Until I come back.
Great one. Great one. Awesome. Here. Ba. Dikeh dia bala if you also about them.
Nobody is talking. I hope all is well. Or do you want some money? Just tell me, I'll give it to you.
Eriko, she's not in the mood for your jokes. Because can't you just go away?
I should go away. I will not go anywhere. I will not go anywhere. I will not go anywhere until you give me the share from the bribe Odumodu gave you. I will not go anywhere. You know bribe is very sweet. Give me my own. Give my own share. Let me go.
What is she talking about? Eriko, what are you talking about? Huh?
What am I talking about? You don't know what I'm talking about. It's obvious you don't want to give me my own share. I came here to come and give you some money he gave me. But it says you don't want to give my own. Keep your own. Keep your share and I'll keep my own. But let me tell you, very, very soon, the truth will come out. It will come out. See, I will go to the club and I will go and sell my liquor. When I sell it, I'll have plenty money and I will give you small and carry plenty. Don't worry. I do. See, and Mumu they go club, oh. Mumu and they go club. Baby, buy your liquor, buy your liquor, buy your liquor. Buy your liquor.
There's nothing I will not see in this life. Even a mad woman is making jest of me.
But Mama, she said that the truth will soon come out.
Exactly what I'm imagining.
What is keeping Nneka from coming here?
She will soon be here. You know that Odmodu was responsible for her mother's death. Her father took ill. She went to meet him.
So sad. Poor Nneka. She would have still let us know. We'll go together to pay the visit.
No. The things of the spirits are not being done that way. We are following your own because we are all linked to it. Through you, we shall get our final rest. Sorry for keeping you waiting. We don't have much time. The ancestors need our presence at once. The battle line has been drawn.
Juice.
You must confess.
Confess! Confess!
You are a very wicked man. How could you? Uncle Odumodu, I ask again, how could you? Your own flesh and blood. You need to confess. You need to confess and set us free.
Confess! You have to confess.
Confess.
Confess! Confess!
Great one. Thank God we are here. Hey, Olumo. Great one.
Odumodu, what is it again?
The girls, they've killed me. They finished me, they were beating me as if I am a small boy.
They beat you?
Imagine.
What happened to the neck piece I gave to you to wear?
They took me by surprise. I was batting when they appeared and I couldn't get the neck piece and they started beating me here and there.
You see that you are the cause of your problem. Odumodu, go home and wait for my return. As you can see, I'm on my way to Ijade.
It's okay. I am going with you. Do you know, by the time you will come back, they must have finished me. You will meet me alive.
Odumodu, I gave you the neck piece to put it on to avoid the spirits coming close to you.
Because they will kill me before you return. I'm going to them.
We get the uncle, we get brother-in-law. Dikeh it's time for war. Face me one-on-one, I believe. Let us fight. You can't see devil, you can't be wrong. Make we fight. I wish you say you can't see devil, you can't be wrong.
Who are you? Eriko, what is it?
I've got to collect my own share of the money.
Which share?
My own share of the money now. See, do you want to leave this house without giving my own share? That is wickedness now. You cannot go without giving my own share now. You have to give my own share. See, you see this house? You share this house into two and give my own share.
Oh, listen. You are a mad woman.
Me?
You are roving mad.
Am I mad? Am I mad now? Wait, am I mad? No. You say I'm not mad. Why are you calling me mad woman now? I'm not mad. You have to give my own share before you go. You give my own share. You give my own share. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm not mad.
Get out of here.
Ah, see, this is our house. So I'm not going anywhere.
Get out of this place.
I'm not mad. I'm not mad. You get my own share. You get my own share. You get my own share. I will go. But in this house, you give my own share. All the money, you give my own share before you go. Don't go without giving me my own money now because that is wickedness. See, I'm not scared. I'm not scared of this thing. I'm not scared of this thing. See, don't threaten me. This stick you are holding on your hand. Odomadu. I will go. But they will know between you and I who is mad.
Get out! Take it out! Get out! Please.
I will go, but I will come back for my own share. You cannot just go without giving my own share now. I will come back for my own share.
Can you imagine all this? Can you imagine all this nonsense? Why did you tell me all this? Eh? If you had told me that I'm not supposed to use my own blood, I'll get another blood. After all, blood is blood. Look at all this nonsense now. I'm tired and sick of all this. Imagine Eriko calling me her love. Ha! Oh, nonsense.
have spirit. I fear no evil. I fear no one, for I hold the four edges of this earth. No one. I fear no evil. Wherever you are, I fear no one.
Uncle Odumodu, confess now. Your time is close. Confess now! You must confess. You have no option. Odumodu, you must confess. You have no option.
My king.
We have your car keys. You cannot run away. Shut up, Odumodu. By the time we return, it will be a disaster for you. Go and confess! Confess and set us free, Odumodu.
Shut up, Odumodu.
Confess, Odumodu.
Son of man, why have you come from a far place to destroy and kill our children?
I did not come to your land to kill and destroy. I am only here to do the work I was paid for.
Oluma, we have seen the evil we have been committing in our community.
I did not commit any evil. Rather, I'm hired to do this work.
Very well. We have seen the stubbornness and the unrepentant in you. But I want to let you know also that a stubborn fly only follows the corpse to the grave.
Today, Oluma, we shall serve you justice. Choose your end from these three parts.
Never. I am Oluma, half human, half spirit. I am like the wind. No one can catch me.
There is no hiding place for you. Today is your last day. You shall commit no more evil. Yes! Take your revenge on him.
Don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
Please don't kill me! Don't kill me! Please don't kill me!
Che, so this is how my life will end. And these girls have seized my car keys. What will I do now? What is life if it is to live in perpetual torment and agony? I'll rather end it up. I'll end it up. It's not what if.
Godmother, it is too late for you to do this. Nature must take its full course on you.
No. I'll rather end it all. I'll rather end it all.
It is only a fool or coward that prefers suicide. Go and confess. Go and confess to the families of those people you put into pain.
No. Why is everybody telling me to confess? I will not confess. I would rather end it. Where is my knife?
See what love for money has cost me. See what love for money has cost me. Obaranamara, not the wrong way more. Had I known, I wouldn't have gone this far.
Beg them not to hurt me, please. I will repent, please.
Odimosi, one does not run away from himself. And you can't run away from your ancestors.
Please, I'm very, very sorry. It won't happen again, please.
Why did you allow things of this world to take over you? Where did you learn this wickedness from?
I will repent. I won't do it again. I swear, because not to hurt me.
Ultimatum, you have no option. And we are not pleading with you. Rather, we are mandating you. Go and confess. It is a must.
I will not confess. I will not confess. He said, I would rather die. I would rather die. I will confess. How do I stand the shame and humiliation? It's not possible now. Because I'm a titled man in the church. Society, please. Shall we be too much?
Yes! Feed on him!
My leg. Fire! Hey! Oluma, where are you? They've killed me. Where are you? Begging.
There's no need calling him. Look at. Today is your last day. You shall commit no more evil. Yes! Take your revenge on him.
Don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
Please don't kill me! Don't kill me! Please don't kill me! Where it has landed you because of your wickedness and greed.
See what has cost me. See what love for money has cost me. See what love for money has cost me.
Who is in this house? Come out, there's good news. Come out. There's good news for you.
Eriko, you again?
Yes, it's me.
What is the good news?
Your daughter, she's in Odumodu's place. They're celebrating.
My daughter?
Yes.
Amaka, my daughter?
Celebrating.
Is in Odumodu's house celebrating. Are you sure?
Am I sure? Am I sure? I'm very sure now. Okay, if you think I'm lying, go and see by yourself. See, our God is a God of justice. Amaka there.
Amaka, my daughter?
She's there.
It's not Odumodu's house.
They're celebrating. They're celebrating. Some people are eating. My God. Let me go and do my dirty man. I'll go and tell my liver.
Let's go.
See what love for money has cost me. See what love for money has cost me. See what love for money has cost me.
Mama? Huh? But this place doesn't look like where they are celebrating.
It doesn't matter. Let's enter inside first.
Mama?
What happened?
Nobody's inside here.
Don't worry. Oh, the gate is open. Come, let's go. But I've not seen this gate open like this before. Huh? I hope everything is okay.
Mama, even if one should leave the gate open like this, you should not be in this period when we are facing security problems.
Exactly what I'm saying. Huh?
Mama?
But let's enter inside.
Mama, I'm perceiving some kind of odor here.
Even me.
It's coming from that water.
No, water doesn't smell like that.
It's true. Let's go check inside.
But where will this bad smell coming from?
It might come from anywhere.
It should be inside. Let's enter inside.
See what love for money has cost me.
Hey. But why would we not use more to leave everywhere open like this?
Forgive me.
Go towards this side, to the kitchen. Let me go upstairs.
Mama! Mama, please come, Mama. Come and see.
Ma, what is it? What is it? What did you see?
Mama, I came out and made this door open. I made everywhere open. And the smell is coming heavily from this place.
It's very strong. Come.
I lit the fire, but I didn't know it would
Chineke! What is this?
My wife. Please don't run. Thank God you are here.
Who did this to you?
Please help me call the elders. I will tell you who did it. Please just call the elders for me.
I want to see them, please. Okay.
Don't abandon me, please. Because I don't want to die.
Forgive me. Forgive me.
Could be the cause of this illness.
Even me, I am surprised. The only person that helps me look for my daughter Amaka is now down with strange illness. What am I going to do now?
Mama, don't worry. God will come to our aid.
Ma, see what you will do. As we are going now, You go to the house, lock up everywhere, while I go and meet some elders. We will come back to this place. Oh yeah.
Our wife, this one we are looking so restless. I hope all is well.
Nayodogu, all is not well.
What is it?
Chief Odmodu is dying. He said I should come and call some elders.
But I saw him yesterday. He was looking so healthy.
You can't believe what I saw in his house. Better come, let's go. Let's go, please. Kaikaba, oh?
It's alright. Let me get my walk stick. I will meet you there. Yes,
please don't waste time.
I will meet you there.
Don't waste time, oh? Hey.
What is it? Where are you running to? What? Calm down. Why are you shivering like this?
I want to go and lock the house.
Going to lock the house? Why?
It's my uncle Dumodu. He's dying.
He's dying?
Yes.
Where's your mother?
She wants to go and call some elders.
Hey, okay. Let's go. Let me go with you.
Thank God I met you. Have you locked the house?
Yes, I locked the house.
Oh, good.
I was coming out and I saw her. She explained to me what happened. How is it?
Nemo, it's Chief Odmodu. He is dying.
Hey!
You can't believe what I saw. He asked me to go and call some elders.
Hey!
And as I was leaving, it started raining.
So is that
I
serious?
had no option than to put head under the rain.
Exactly.
Let's go. Hold on.
What are you looking for under this rain?
You need to go with me now.
To where?
To Odmodu's house.
What is happening to Odmodu? I saw him yesterday.
He said I should call you.
Come and call me.
Woman,
what is happening?
Can't you see that it's raining? Forget about the rain. It's not heavy. Please, let's go. We need to go now. There's no time, please. Please, I'm begging you. You said I should come and call you. There's no time. Hey!
Umunam bara umunam barabo diko barabo adi demeruno diko barabo iya jadi demere diko barabo iya jadi demere
What can we call it?
Please forgive me. Forgive me.
I saw you 3 days ago and you were not like this. Or some
Please forgive me for all the atrocities I committed against you people. No? Please.
I don't understand what you are saying. But what is it? You're looking a good man.
Please forgive me. I killed your daughter. Killed your daughter. Yes, forgive me. I one responsible for the disappearance of Ada. I killed Becca. Yes. My wife, please forgive me. Amaka is not missing.
Eh?
Yes. I killed her for money ritual.
Amaka, my
What did my daughter Amaka do to you, Nayotmodu? What did she do to you? Why did you kill my daughter Amaka? Nayotmodu, it shall never be well with you even in death. You will continue to die and die and die. I curse you, Nayotmodu. I curse you today and I curse your generation. From generation to generation. All your generation are cursed. Because you made your money from the blood of our children. It shall never be well with you. Nothing good will come out of your generation.
My son is very wicked. You killed my only friend. You will never find peace in hellfire. You will never find peace in hellfire.
Adumadu, you cannot die. I told you. I asked you to share everything, so you give my own property. Now you want to go without giving me my own. Adumadu, you cannot die. Adumadu, you cannot die like that. Adumadu, you cannot die like that. Who will not serve my liquor? Who will serve this liquor? Adumadu, you will die. Adumadu, wake up. Adumadu. Adumadu, wake up, let's do. Adumadu, wake up and let's talk to me,
Mother's tears breaks my heart.
Amaka, let's go. We have fulfilled our mission and our time is up.
There is nothing you can do for her at this present state. Let the living sort out themselves.
Yes, you can't help her. Our next task now is to go and face Amaka for the final judgment.
I'm happy we took our revenge.
You're right. Now we can rest in peace. Wait. Why is Odumodu not taking the same route with us?
He can't. God has a place for the wicked, and that road leads to damnation.
Yes. He will be there to pay for his evil deeds.
Really?
There is no peace for the wicked, even in death.
Now I see. The wicked shall never go unpunished.
You are evil, you are dangerous. Remember, one day it could be good to go. Wicked uncle, wicked brother-in-law. Give me camera,